Hello, my Frugal Divas. It's Lisa Marie here. It is February 12th, 2018. So last night I went on my CVS app. I do not go to CVS very often. I do go there to get some makeup deals. I only have one CVS in my city, so they run out of stock of a lot of things, and 50% of the time the red coupon box is not working. So a lot of times I don't even bother unless they have some good makeup deals going on. But anyway, I decided to check my app to see if I had any good CRTs this week. And I noticed I had $6 in beauty bucks. I'm like, wait, what? I need to use those up. Anyway, and I had a $5 off any $25 purchase. So I looked at the coupons that they had to offer, the digitals. I sent all these are digital coupons, okay? I sent them all to my card. I sent the CRTs to my card, and I was crossing my fingers that when I went there, that the Redbox machine was working, because I knew there was a $2.50 CRT printing for everyone at the box for the Colgate toothpaste. So I was hoping I could at least get that free toothpaste. So let me show you. These are all the CRTs that I sent to my card last night. Here's the beauty box, the beauty box. I had no extra care box at all, okay? I just went completely with CRTs and digital coupons. So I didn't use a lot of these, but the 5 off 25 is expiring today, so I definitely wanted to use that. So let me show you what I did. Before I went to CVS, I actually went to Rite Aid and picked up my free candy. Yeah, because there's a load to card coupon. They're on sale 2 for $1. And when you buy 2, you get $1 off. There's a load to card coupon. And also when you buy 2, you get $1 back on with bonus cash. So, and also I submitted to Checkout 51 because they had 25-cent cash back on any chocolate. So I made these free, and $1.25 moneymaker. So here's my receipt. I only went to pick up the chocolate. It was $0, and I just paid tax. And I got my $1 bonus cash. So, on to CVS. So the Purex is on sale for $1.99, and there's a 50-cent digital coupon. Now, I was kind of bummed because they did not have the Persil there, which they rarely have the Persil. So I kind of had to improvise. It's on sale. The Persil is on sale for $4.94, and there's a $2 digital coupon. And there's also a $2 on Savingstar. There's a 50 cents on Savingstar for the Purex as well. So I did get that. However, I couldn't get the Persil. So I improvised and got the Tide Pods. They're on sale for $4.94 as well. There's a digital coupon of $2. And same thing with the Gain Flings. They're on sale for $4.94, and there's a $2 digital coupon. Now at this point, I'm just trying to get to the $25 mark so I can use my 5 off 25. The Redbox machine was working, so I was able to print my CRT for the $2.50 off any Colgate toothpaste Max Fresh, and there's a 50-cent digital coupon, so I made it completely free. The Irish Spring is on sale for $3.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon, and when you buy one, you get $2 in extra bucks back. So the soft soap, it is on sale for $3.49, and there's a 75-cent off digital coupon, and when you buy one, you get a $1.75 extra buck back. The Colgate mouthwash, it is on sale for $3.99, and there's a $1 off digital coupon, and when you buy one, you get $2 and extra care bucks back. So here's my receipt. Okay, all my digitals came off amazingly, which was a surprise. Yeah, there's my beauty box, my 5 off 25, and that was the CRT that came out of the Redbox machine. So yeah, all these were digital, and my subtotal came to $5.09. I paid 79 cents in tax for a total of $5.88, and I got back the $1.75, the $2, and the $2. So I got back $5.75, and I will be getting back 50 cents from Savingstar for the Purex. So I made everything completely free here, which was pretty good considering everything was digital except for the one CRT that I printed from the red box. So just to show you, I mean, you can do some great deals with digitals if they come off. Now, I go there with a list. I make sure everything goes off that it's supposed to, or I'm not going to pay for it. I'm just saying, if it's not going to run through right, then I'm just not going to pay for it. But I hope this gives you a little inspiration that you do not have to buy the Sunday newspaper every week and waste your ink, and try to use some digital sometime. And maybe you can get lucky and have a great haul like this. But I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!